Tugou TG1 CNC Metal Crawler Kit Review, the premium build that serious hobbyists choose. You've watched trail videos where crawlers grip impossible angles while yours keeps sliding backward. Another Saturday spent replacing broken plastic parts that cracked again under real terrain stress. That quiet frustration when your rig just doesn't feel substantial enough to tackle serious obstacles. Comment "build" below if you're ready for something different. What if your next crawler was built from actual metal instead of wishful thinking? Every trail run becomes damage control instead of pure exploration when fragile components can't handle the weight of your ambitions. The mental drain of nursing a lightweight plastic chassis through rocks it was never engineered to conquer. I once watched a fellow crawler tackle a granite shelf I avoided entirely because my rig flexed too much. That ends now. Real solutions exist beyond plastic limitations. This is where the Tugou TG1 1/10 CNC Full Metal Remote Control Crawler Car Kit version enters as your precision-engineered breakthrough. Don't just buy any RC crawler kit. Make sure it has genuine CNC machined metal chassis and components, so you never suffer from flex, breakage, and constant part replacement that plastic crawlers force you to accept. The 3-kilogram all-metal construction delivers traction-enhancing weight and durability measured in years instead of trail runs. The 321mm wheelbase balances technical climbing with stable descents perfectly. 55mm of ground clearance handles serious rock gardens confidently. The unpainted kit version lets you choose every electronic component, motor, ESC, servo, radio, battery, matching your exact performance goals and budget without compromise. Picture this. Experienced builder spends 20 satisfying hours assembling precision components, installs premium brushless system, hits the trail, tackles previously impossible lines with confidence the metal won't fail. Then another newcomer follows community build guides, discovers the meditative joy of mechanical assembly, finishes with a crawler that outperforms ready-made options costing twice as much. One overlooked detail: CNC tolerances mean zero binding during articulation. Drop metal if precision engineering sounds overdue. Here's where your entire crawling experience transforms from managing limitations to exploring capabilities you didn't know existed before now. Immediate difference. First time you grip that 3-kilogram metal chassis, you feel the substance that translates directly into trail gripping traction and confidence on steep terrain. Weekly evolution. You're conquering rock faces and side slopes that previously seemed impossible because the weight and rigidity work with you instead of against your ambitions constantly. Long-term satisfaction. Mechanical components simply don't wear out. Metal axle housings, CNC suspension links, and machined chassis rails outlast everything else in your garage by literal decades. An RC engineering expert confirmed the TG1's machining quality rivals kits costing 50% more with dimensional accuracy within hundredths of a millimeter consistently across every component. 2 verified builders reported identical experiences. Assembly fit was so precise that zero filing, reaming, or modification was needed throughout the entire build process at all. Industry analysts noted that offering full CNC metal construction at this accessibility point fundamentally shifts what hobbyists expect from premium crawler platforms permanently. Personally, after examining every component under magnification, I noticed the bearing seats and gear mesh surfaces show machining precision you'd expect from aerospace-grade manufacturing. Quick question: which benefit resonates most with you? Comment 1 for build satisfaction, 2 for trail performance, 3 for lifetime durability. While plastic crawlers require constant replacement parts, this platform delivers mechanical permanence. The kit freedom means your electronics choices stay current forever through simple upgrades. Your next build stops being a compromise and starts being the precision instrument you've wanted since discovering this hobby seriously. Join the growing community of builders who invested time in proper assembly and never looked back to fragile ready-made alternatives. The Tugou TG1 1/10 CNC Full Metal Crawler Kit with complete component freedom waiting below delivers machining quality, performance substance, and customization potential unmatched at this level. First link in description pinned at top for immediate access. Growing builder community means expanding support. Your most capable crawler begins with one decision now.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.